Make. Okay. Okay. Can you hear me? I do have a mic. I have a whole setup, bro. I will do a tour of my setup in the upcoming video, not on live stream, but I'm gonna. So I did two streams before. I'm planning to finish the project today, and when it's done, I'm gonna edit a YouTube video based on these three streams. I'll also have some additional footage on my setup and stuff. I want to do it before the new year, but let's see. Okay, I will do a demo of what I did in the previous streams. Then we can go over the to-dos. So right now on a separate terminal, let's open a file in Vim. Let's say main.go. You can see at the bottom it says pipe started at some path. Now I'm gonna run my project, giving the giving the given path as the argument. So it says listening to events. I'm somewhere, let's say I'm on I, and I have my wheel on the right. I will move it to the middle uh, during the stream. So now I'm rotating the wheel to the right. As you can see, I'm changing the characters. If I move it to the left, it goes backwards. In the alphabet, if I move it to the right, it goes forward. Hello, my mods are here. Mods, can you please ban this guy, Dave? Thank you. So that's it. And I also have a normal mode and insert mode. I have some shifters behind the wheel. If I hit the right shifter, it goes into insert mode. If I hit the left shifter, it goes into normal mode. That's all it does right now. Um, Input. Okay, so now let's go over what we are going to do. First, I'm going to map all of the buttons. During previous streams, we mapped all the axis buttons. We have wheel, brake, clutch, accelerate, and a D-pad, which sends two separate events for horizontal and vertical changes. Now I'm gonna do the same for button types. After it's done, I'm gonna decide which button I'm going to use to add some sort of toggle to stop listening to wheel rotation events so that I can just the wheel only rotates 900 degrees. So if I reach at the end, I don't want to go backwards in the alphabet. So I just want to stop listening to such events, and then I can move my wheel freely without changing anything, and then I hit a button, I can start changing characters again. I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna add a tilde listener, so I can just toggle lowercase, uppercase. It's gonna be useful because if I'm rotating the wheel and I reach some letter and I want the capital of it, I can just hit that button and toggle it. I'm gonna add navigation. I'm gonna attach it to the D-pad. So I'm gonna replicate the behavior of HJKL, and I'm gonna add some basic shortcuts to the rest of the buttons for deleting, copying, stuff like that. I'm probably gonna change like what I need to add and what I don't need to add. But first of all, I need the mapping. Okay, for that, okay, I already have some mappings for as I said before, the right shifter and the left shifter. Okay, okay, I'm gonna keep it PG. And we are going to add the rest of them. For that, I'm gonna open another terminal. Here, I need to add a log fmt print line code. is event.code, right? It maps to uint16, which is, okay, event.code. Okay, let me zoom in. Listening to events. All right, so I'm gonna hit the X button, 288. Let's add the buttons here. Button cross, button circle, square, and triangle. So button cross is 288. Circle is 290. Square 289. Triangle 291. Triangle 291. All right. What's next? We have, what do we have here? L2 and R2. Button L2, button R2, button L3, button R3. Let's add these four. Okay. L2, 295. R2, 294. L3, 299. And R3, 298. All right. Now I have plus and minus. Oops. Button plus, button minus. Plus and minus. 707 for plus and 708 for minus. Then I have return, which is 711. All right, what else? I think it's enough. I have three more buttons, but I don't want to use them, so I think this is going to be fine. Let's first of all sort this by length. Iota, remove this, and okay. I think it's fine. Okay, we have event codes. Okay, we have the button mapping. What's the issue? Okay, let's mark this as done. Now I need to add a toggle to start and stop listening to wheel events. First of all, I need to remember what kind of data I'm sending. Okay, let's see. How many items do we have here? We have 13, so button events are 13. 13, so okay, 13, and axis events, we have a couple of them, so let's just do 14. Okay, 14 should be the first axis event. Now I need to update the Lua script. What did I call it? Wheel.lua. Need to find the mapping. Insert mode, this is fine. This is going to be 14 and this is going to be 15. Let's make sure everything is working correctly and move on. Okay, this is fine. Insert mode, normal mode. Okay, we're good. Okay, now we are introducing a new message type. If it is button, let's say L3, L2, okay. If it's L2, the byte is going to be 3. Let's open the Lua file. Wheel.lua. Three should be toggle wheel changes. Now we need to add that function. Function toggle wheel changes. So let's add something here. Is listening. If for at the beginning it is listening, so it's true. We are going to do m is listening is equal to not m is listening, right? And in the handle command function, I need to check if let's just add that here. Handle next char. If not m is listening, then return and add this to previous char. Did I save it? Okay. Let's check. Go run. Okay. So now it is changing. Let's find G. G. Okay, and I hit L2. Unknown command. Oh, but it worked. So now it's not listening. If I hit it again, L2, now it's listening. Okay, the toggle works. I don't know why it prints unknown command. I'm gonna check it. All right, let's open Lua unknown command. If fn. What happens if I click it? Oh, I sent two commands, 0 and 3. Okay. Let's see why. Uh, I am going to raw dog it, no matter what, but I need the toggle because I may not be able to physically reach a character because it only supports 900 degrees. So it's in the middle at first, so 450. If I reach at the end, I may have a character that is after that. So I need to stop listening, move the wheel to the starting position, start listening again, and then move to the character that I want. Also, it's very sensitive. I might just accidentally change characters while I'm trying to do something else. So I need to handle that as well. Make the toggle to toggle the starting position of the lookup. What do you mean? Toggle starting position. I don't understand what you mean. Imagine the wheel is at the end. Okay, I always take the last character during my lookup, but the wheel is at the end. I can't move it to the right anymore. Change the direction? What do you mean? I always take the last character, but my wheel is at the end. I can't rotate it to the right anymore. So I need to go right, but physically it's not possible. Going forward is backward. No, I don't want to do that. What's the point? What's the point? So I toggle is just toggles the direction. No, not doing that. Not happening. All right, why do I send 0? Hmm, let's see. Got message 0. All right, let's just print something here. Previous, no, not previous, event is plus v event. All right. Event is type 1, type code. But why is it sending a message? I don't really understand. Let's also print the previous event. Previous is nil, it's good. Then we have event. Okay. Return should send. Should send is false, I think. Then we have event, previous event. Everything is the same except value 1, then it is 0. Right? Then we are switching on the code and sending 3. Hmm. And listen to events. If should send new byte. Should send new byte. If should send the byte. Oh, I know. It should be false in the beginning. Then here, if I reach here, I set it to true, right? Let's try it again. Okay, we're good. Remove the log. Let's start. Okay, we only send one message. Okay, the toggle is done. Now we need to add toggle lowercase uppercase. For that, I'm gonna use R2. Let's go with R2. Oops. R2, the byte is 4. Here I'm adding a new handler, toggle capitalization. Let's toggle the capitalization. Vim command normal tilde, right? I think. Let's try. So I'm here. If I hit R2, nothing happens. Oh, I am not doing it right. Okay, it's working. R2. Okay, nice. All right. We have toggle capitalization. Let's mark this as done and move to DPad navigation. Now for that, we are going to use the access handlers. Now we need to parse DPad values. Let's copy this axis, DPad vertical and horizontal. I'm just gonna return whatever it is sending. Then we are going to log it, see what happens when I hit the buttons. All right. So if it's the axis wheel, do that. Case axis DPad vertical. Case axis DPad horizontal. I think I can do this, right? Value is this thing, parsed value. Maybe I just need to get the event value, right? So horizontal works. Vertical doesn't. Maybe my case statement is wrong. How do you do that? Let's Google. Golang switch multiple case. I can separate them. Okay, let's try. Okay. So up is this thing. It becomes something, then becomes 0. And if I Bottom is 1 then 0. Okay. Right is 1, left is... So they are the same number. I'm sure it means something. I don't know what it means yet. So raw value is uint32. We need to return uint32. I'm just gonna add some direction constants here. Direction right, direction left, direction down, and direction up. DPad, navigation directions. All right. So if vertical row value is 429496 295. Return direction up, else if equals 1, direction down. Okay, let's do the same for the vertical one. Oh, sorry, horizontal one. Left, I believe, and right. Okay. Missing return. Don't want to return anything if it's 0. But I do have a default case here. Okay, return row value. I can then just remove this, right? Now, if I add here case axis DPad vertical or axis DPad horizontal, parsed value. Let's switch on parsed value if it's direction up. New byte equals 16. Case direction right. New byte equals 17. Then we do the same for left. 18 and down is going to be 19. All right. Let's restart. Okay, direction up. Nothing happens. Hmm. let's just print, see what happens. First value is first value. What am I fixing? I'm going to assign navigation to the D-pad. I added some stuff here. So D-pad vertical, when it was this number, it was direction up. When it was 1, it was direction down. Same goes for horizontal. And I assigned that to a byte and send them. But it doesn't work for now, so I'm just trying to figure it out. But this works. Parsed value is 3, parsed value is 0. Let's add the default case. New byte is 0. Oh, I don't return. That's the issue. Okay, okay. Return true and new byte. Now it's going to be fine. Okay. 17. Why? Part value is 0. I know why. Because some of them, I mean, the first one is 0, right? First one should be 0. Yeah. So let's just do this. Can I do it? I think it's gonna be fine. 16, 18, 19, 17. Okay, so 16 is up, but I still send some. I know why. I still need the default case. Default should be new. In default, I'm just gonna return. And it's gonna be all right. Okay, 16, 17, 18, 19. Good. Now we go to the Lua file. Let's add more. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 16, 17, 18, and 19. Up, right, left, down. Handle up, handle right, handle left, handle down. I mean, I should probably be smarter here and maybe add a function that returns a function, so I don't have 4 separate functions, but I just want to be done with this. So up is k, handle right L, left is H, and down is J. All right. Let's test this. Okay. Okay. Let's first of all, it's not listen by default. Okay. Okay, it's not listening. Down. Ooh. Oh yeah, up, left, right. Okay, we're good. Can I actually write something? What happens if I do this? No. Hmm. So we have navigation. I'm using the wheel. So if I go into, okay, let's first of all start listening. Insert mode. Okay, it doesn't work. Okay, I need to fix that. Let's go over the to-dos. DPad navigation is done. Now, can you mop up and down to acceleration and stop pedals? I'm gonna mop them, but I'm gonna mop them to like block-based navigation. The brake pedal is very stiff. But I'm gonna yeah, let's do that. Let's just do that. Uh, I'm thinking about it though. The acceleration and brake pedals, they are not just buttons, they are like axis changes. So it goes from 0 to 255. What should I do in that case? To treat it as a button press. But I don't want to treat it as a button press. Hmm. Maybe I should just keep sending messages to go down as you are pressing accelerate, and when it reaches 0, I just stop. I think it's gonna be useful. Let's try that. Okay. Okay, let's try. I shouldn't think too much. Case axis accelerate. I just mopped W bank to break and oh yeah, yeah, I need to be able to save. Hmm. Well, it's gonna be open source. You can remap all of this. But I need to think about save. Save and quit. Oh man. Well, I have a lot of buttons. I will figure it out. Yeah, yeah, we're going to write a UI in Rust. No framework, no nothing. Then 0. Return 20. True 20, else return false. Right? Access clutch. Let's do clutch. 21. Here, I'm uh, just gonna copy this, right? So 20 is going down and 21 is up. I hope this works. Let's try it out. So accelerate. Oh my god. Clutch goes up. This is pretty nice actually. But it's too fast. Too fast. I don't know. Uh let's add the same distance logic so that I only send every 10 messages. My branch is called master. Yeah, this is a pretty old project. I think it's already like legacy. So I have previous fill value here. So I send only after 10 degrees of rotation. Yeah, I do have a clutch pedal. I have clutch, brake, and accelerate. Hmm. I'm thinking whether I can reuse this variable instead of creating something new for the, what was it called? But it's gonna be, if I reuse it, I might have a race condition, no pun intended. When I'm hitting accelerate and I'm rotating. No, I'm gonna just use something else here. Previous navigation value u int 32, right? Um, Funk, funk should react. What do we need here? It's gonna return a boolean. Need these 3 lines. So parsed value is what? Unit 32. So I need the distance and the parsed, oh, previous value, unit 32. Okay. So prev and car, which are uint 32. Parse is car, so I'm gonna do previous, current, and instead of if, I'm going to return, right? Then in here, I'm gonna do if shoots react previous will value and the parsed value. I'm not using it, and okay, I am using it. I did something wrong. If distance is greater than the threshold, no, it's okay. No, it's fine. So if we should react, it takes previous will value and the parsed value, decrease, increase. We don't need those comments. Right, let's add, okay, I have added it. Previous navigation value, so okay. If we should react, previous navigation value and parsed value. Parsed is this, parsed Then we check if it is not 0. We do this. I think it's gonna be fine. 21. Let's try. Let's try on a longer file. So the issue is if I press the pedal slowly, even if I release it, it goes down. So I need to add another check if it is greater than 0 and it is greater than previous wheel value. Oh, sorry, previous navigation. Oh, I'm not setting previous navigation value. That's the issue. So after all of that, yeah, previous navigation value needs to be the parsed value. Do the same here. Okay, let's try. Now nothing happens. Why? Does the wheel work? The wheel works fine. If we should react, because I return before doing that, I think. Okay. Mm-hmm. Where is new byte defined? Okay. So instead of returning, I just assign the new byte. Assign the new byte. Then at the end, I'm gonna return it. Okay. Let's do the same here. New byte equals 21. I assign it. Else return false 0. If we should react, we check if it is pressed. We send the new byte. I think this should work. Right? Remove this. Return true new byte. Like so. Let's check. Got message 0. Oh, it was the issue. I will see the issue if I just print the parsed value. Hmm. Oh, I should set it only if it should react, right? Not every time because the threshold isn't being set properly. Yeah, let's go. Now I can scroll. Okay. Now I want to add something else. If we should react or parsed is 255. So we are all the way pressed. If it's pressed all the way, you should always send a message. The same goes here. Hmm. Let's print it again. So it's 255, right? If should react. Where is it? If previous navigation value should react. So now it is 255. It sent something. But now, oh yeah, that makes sense. Okay, I'm just gonna remove it. Okay, now we have acceleration and clutch navigation. Let's add it in to do so I remember that I did that. DPad navigation plus clutch accelerate scrolling. Okay. Now two things. I need to be able to enter a new line, and when there is nothing under the cursor, I need to just just add a new character A and then work with that. Okay, I will figure that out, but now I'm just gonna take a break. Oh, be right back. Okay, let's continue. What do I want to do? I have an issue when I'm in insert mode. Let's say I'm here. Oh, it's not listening. Let's start listening. It works. It only fails. Let's try at the end. That also work. It only fails when there is no character before. So I need to handle that case. Let's stop listening. Oh, it works in normal mode, right? So normal mode, it works. Let's try again. Okay, we start from the beginning. Okay, normal. It works in normal mode. Let's see. Um, so the only case when it fails is when we are in insert mode and the line is empty. Let's see if we can detect that. Let's print position 1, position 2, and current line. Need to reload this. So when I'm in normal mode, start listening. Oh, yeah. Need to restart the daemon as well. Okay, we are in normal mode. Doesn't print anything. I think we're not listening. Okay. I didn't catch the first one. So it's 0. Let's try in insert mode. Okay. It's an empty string. Current line is empty. And 5, 0. If I do it in normal mode, the same thing, but it works in normal mode. Probably because of this. So if I'm in insert mode, I shouldn't do that. Instead, I should just add a character instead of trying to modify the one before that. So I need to change this logic. So before position 2, so if I have two characters and I'm in between, but I'm in normal mode, 1, and the string is AS. If I'm in insert mode, okay. So before should be, how am I handling that? I'm subbing whatever we have. Char I and J until J, so J is not included in insert mode. Instead, I should just include it, right? So character position is that. Where am I using it? To get the current character. If we are in insert mode, I'm not interested in current character. So let's do this instead here. I'm not interested in character position, so before should be +1. After should be +2. I'm not sure, but let's check. And current character needs to be something that is before A. So let's look at ASCII codes. Show more. Lowercase a 97, so it should be backtick, right? And what was a? 97. Let's try. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna work, but let's see. So I'm in normal mode. No, I need to restart this. I'm in normal mode and add O. Okay, I can do this. This is good. I'm in insert mode. Okay. So instead of, I don't even need to do that. I just need to, should I just, I need to enter a character, then go into normal mode, I think. So handle next char mode. Let's also return the mode. Mode, mode, if mode is insert, then m dot handle normal mode end. Handle normal mode. Okay, let's try. Oops. What's wrong here? Oh, okay. Will.lua. Okay. Normal mode. It works. H. Now let's go, let's say here. And I'm in insert mode. Didn't work. Why? Oh, I should do +1 here. No? No. What should I do? I should insert this character after. Hmm. Okay, let's think. I need to take whatever, so it's gonna be +1. I think I should just do +1. No, let's try. Insert mode. Start listening. Ooh, it did something. Oh, but when it goes into normal mode, it moves to the left. So I just need to handle normal mode, then handle right. I write something. It's not gonna work if it's the only character. Yeah, but let's just try this and then think about the rest. Start. It still didn't work. Low. Okay, I'm just gonna type A, C. I wanna type B here. B, okay. But why did the other one become A? A, C. I'm in the middle. Hmm. Oof. Let's just create a function. New line, current line subset. Okay, I need this. Let's remove that. Okay. But I have to do that. Not here. Remove all of that. If it's not listening, don't do anything. Let's just close this. If we are in insert mode, if we are in insert mode, We take the character before, add 1 to it. Okay. Then add a backtick, sub, after. Yep, I think should be fine. Then we go into normal mode and move to the right. I think it's gonna be fine. I also need to return. It's also return. Okay. AC. Hmm. It just added after C. That was the issue. So instead of +1, I take character before, add this character, then add character after -1, right? What the what's happening? Let's try. AC. Listen. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Okay, the only issue is when we are at the end. If we are at the end, I don't need to move to the right. So we get the current line. I can get the length. Okay, let's just print and see. 5 0 nothing. 5 0 nothing. And in this case, I didn't see it. 5 10. 10. 10. Let's print the after. 8 10. If after what was it, like this, not equals to the length, how do you get the string length? Then oh, still moved. Let's just print character position after and the length of the current line. The length is 6. Eight. Why is it 8? Can I just do +2? Oof. Start listening. I'd move to the left. Why though? 6 and 4. handle normal mode, handle normal mode. So if I write something, hmm. Oh, because I handle norm, no, I do set the current line, then handle normal mode. Oh, then I print, maybe, but no. Oh yeah, I should just print it. Oh, should just print it before. I think. I think it printed 7 and 5. Yeah, 8 and 6. Hmm. What happens if I do this? It inserts it. Let's remove the normal mode. Oh no, I can't. I can't. Maybe this is not how you check the length. Could be. Lua check string length. Oh. If it is not equal, or if it is equal. So handle right. Oh, I don't know. Let's try. A and C. This works. Go right. Insert mode. Why though? What happens if I do this? Normal A. Goes to the end. Let's print this and just try if we are in the end. Vim command normal A. Normal A. Else m dot handle right. Hmm? Hmm. So it inserts something, then inserts it again, then goes into normal mode. Oh, maybe I should schedule all of this. Mhm. Mhm. Ah, should have to return. Let's go. Oh, now I need to add append. Handle insert. I need to, okay, start insert, then I need to get the position. Let's see. Let's go. Okay, you're good. Okay, I will add the shortcuts afterwards. Gonna take a break and continue. Okay, let's continue. I fixed that annoying bug. So we have D-pad navigation, we have lowercase, uppercase, we have a toggler to start or stop listening to wheel rotation events, and we've mapped all the missing button event codes. Now it's time to add some shortcuts. Let's open the button handlers. So I'm currently using the right and left shifters, L2 and R2. Let's just add a couple more. Button cross is 5. Let's just try this and we'll add the rest faster. So 5. Handle what? What do I need to handle? Let's just handle delete. Function m handle delete. Let's see if I can just beam command. Can I do this? I'm not sure. Normal D. No. Normal DD. Yeah. Okay. So this should just work. Let's run it again. So if I hit X twice. Okay, just X deletes the line. X deletes the line. Okay. And let's just add the rest of them. Oh, I need to be able to remove. I didn't add it. How should I do it though? Okay, let's add circle. Square and triangle. So, circle, square, triangle. 6, 7, 8. Circle. I want square to be backspace. So it's 7. Handle. Backspace. I can just do X, right? Yes. Function m dot handle backspace and vim command normal X. For circle, what do I have to do? P. Okay, let's use circle to paste. Handle paste will be P. And for triangle, delete, copy, paste. Yeah, copy. Yeah, delete, and we're going to add handle copy. function m handle copy and vim command normal y. Yank the line. Okay. Let's try it out. So X deletes, P paste, Y to yank, unknown command 8. So if I go down, yank, no, unknown command 8. Why though? Yeah, that's why. Let's restart. So yank, paste, paste, remove, move up, remove. Define here. Can just, oops, undo. Yeah, I need to add down undo. I can remove. Okay, now let's add undo. Which button should I use? R R3 is pretty close. 9, so nine needs to be undo. Normal. How do I? Mm, how can I trigger Control R? Control in Vim command. Use Control in Vim shortcut. CC. Right. Let's see if it works. So if I undo something. Oh, sorry. If I undo. Okay, if I undo something, then I do normal CC R. Nope. Nope. How to trigger redo in NeoVim API. Oh, redo. Nice. Handle redo. In that case, I'm gonna use plus and minus. So plus gonna be undo. Actually, minus is going to be undo, and plus is going to be redo. What do you mean, undefined global? Hmm? Oh, I think I removed something. Theme API get current mode. And Vim get mode. Right? No? Whatever. Let's try it out. So this is this. Undo, redo, undo, redo. Yank, accelerate, clutch, paste, undo, redo. Okay, it's good. What else? It's pretty much done. I should just try to write something. See how it goes. Okay, let me reposition my wheel. Okay, we are about to try clutch to go up. Let's say, which one do I not use? I don't use R3, right? Yeah. So I'm just gonna remove this. Oh, I don't have return. I don't have return. Okay, I need to add return. I can just add O, right? What happens if I do... No, normal. Okay, I can just do normal O. Okay, let's assume it's added. Now I need to add button R3. Start listening. I'm just gonna go to... Oh, I don't have tilde. Or do... Or I do. I don't remember anymore. Stop listening. Oh yeah, I do. Okay. Move to B. Insert mode. Then we need to write T. I can do something even smarter. Just gonna remove this. Yank, paste. Go here. and just move it until we reach R3. Let's go. So I need to add a new line. New line, which one do I not use? Accelerate to R3. I don't use R3. So let's just add it. I really want to like copy multiple lines, but I don't know how to do that programmatically. So I'm just gonna do it the bad way. Paste, paste, button plus, right? It's gonna be button R3. So remove, remove. We need to turn this into 3. Where is 3? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Go back and turn this into an R. R3. Okay. And the new byte is going to be 11. Let's go. I need to add that and I need to add save. Save. I'm not gonna add quit because you shouldn't quit Vim. So I need to add save. For save, I'm gonna use the return button. Do I have the mapping for it? Return, yeah, okay. So let's just scroll here. Copy this, paste, copy, paste. Let's go to the end. Okay, just a second. Okay, we are back. Okay, button return. Remove this. Oops, undo. I have undo. Let's go. Insert mode. No, normal mode. Remove. Left. Now we need to add E. Start listening. E. Nice. Move forward. Start listening. T. Move forward. Listen. Element. U. Move right. Listen. Oh, R. I saw the R. Okay. R and N. Start listening. N. Let's go. Now change the 1 to 2. Okay. So we added 4 lines. We wrote 4 lines of code with our racing wheel. Now I need to map 12 to save and 11 to new line. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Handle 11, 12. 11 is going to be new line. and 12 is going to be right. So function m dot handle new line vim command normal o and handle right. It's gonna be w. Let's restart main.go. I will stop using it. Wait, I forgot the Jesus. Yeah, yeah, new line. No, what was the? Oh, it's save. So return saves. The new line was R3. Let's go. Let's print something. Where is F? E, F. Let's go. F, M, T, then dot, dot, P. I'm just gonna find the lowercase p, then capitalize it. R, I, N, oops, N, stop, T, T, let's go, L, and now parentheses. I'm gonna do a, how can I do it easier? I can just, uh, sorry, undo. Mm, this, P, copy the closing parenthesis, and right here. Now I need quotation marks. Let's try to find them. Here. Quote. Remove. Paste. Insert. Oops. Insert. Hello world is too long. What should I write? Okay, let's do it. Let's do hello world. H. E. Oops. E. L. L. I'm gonna do a pro gamer move here. Then O. Hello. Now, comma. Where is it? Comma. Now space. Do I even have space? Yeah, I do. I think I do. I just think I need to go all the way to the left. So I'm gonna start listening again and go back. I think it's before the exclamation mark. Uh-huh. Let's go. Space. How lefter can I go? I don't know. The possibilities are endless. W. Now we need to find the O. O. Oh, fudge. R. Where is it? R. L. L. Two more characters. D. And an exclamation mark. I'm gonna move it all the way to the left. Insert. Start listening. Go back. Hello world, let's go. Finally. Now I'm gonna write it. Let's go. Why would you even use your keyboard? Hello world only took me like 10 minutes. And there we go. It prints hello world. I'm gonna move it to the left. Zoom in. Hello world. Written with a racing wheel. That is it, I think. Let's just close this. Remove this. And start committing stuff. So on axis, I added DPad, navigation, and scrolling. Stream 3, add DPad plus scrolling. For buttons, I added a bunch of stuff. Stream 3, add button mappings. And stream 3, update, to do, progress. Also, I'm gonna copy config lvim lua user wheel.lua here and add it to the repo. Stream 3, add lua script. Pushing. GitHub rational will d. What did I name it? Racing? Yeah, Racing NeoVim. Okay, I will add a readme later. That's it. We can now officially control NeoVim with the racing wheel. I'm gonna go. I will probably, I hope by the end of the year, I'm gonna edit the footages from the previous streams and this stream also. And I'm gonna make a YouTube video, probably short one, like 20 minutes, of how you can control your NeoVim with the racing wheel. Great work. What's next? Thank you. I don't know what's next. I have a couple of ideas. One of that is creating a logging service on Telegram. So it's just gonna be a library where you can. I'm just gonna copy a famous logging API, but behind the scenes, it's just gonna be a Telegram message. But that's, I think, pretty common. There are a lot of projects in GitHub that do that. Another idea I have is there's this website called acquire.com. You can create a startup and list it here and start selling. I want to create something. I need to come up with an idea first, of course, but I want to do it in a weekend. Uh, the streams that I do, I want to eventually, I want them to be a YouTube video. I want to eventually edit them into a YouTube video. When I'm thinking of ideas, I'm thinking in terms of YouTube videos. So the idea is creating a startup and listing it for sale in a weekend, something like that. I need to come up with something more catchy. Essentially, I'm gonna go on stream and start building some ideas, some sauce startup, or maybe not sauce, but I think they only sell sauce here. So I'm just gonna code everything and list it on acquire.com, and we can just follow if anyone is interested of buying it or not. Those are the two ideas, but I always like have a backup option, which is doing a code crafters course. Build your own interpreter or something, and I can do it on stream. Those are the ideas that I can do next. I'm gonna choose either of them. Maybe I will just do all of them, but I need to figure out what's next. That's it. Thanks for tuning in. Be ready for the YouTube video. Alright, bye.